Welcome aboard the beautiful new 2024 Jeannneau Sun Odyssey 410, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. Designed with performance in mind, the Sun Odyssey 410 boasts a powerful hull inspired by the world of sailboat racing. This high-performance sailboat has innovative design features to improve cruising efficiency, effectiveness, and security. A long, graceful waterline delivers an exceptional sailing experience that even the most competitive sailor will appreciate. A large cockpit with twin wheels designed to give excellent ease of movement, not just around the cockpit, but also to access the recessed side decks. This cockpit is secure and comfortable while cruising and transforms easily into an exterior salon or sun deck while at anchor. The large center table is easy to move around, both open and closed, has a large storage area, and has easy to reach handrail that adds to the security of this vessel. Maneuvering, anchoring, and docking are simplified and effortless with bow thruster and windlass controls at the helm, along with Raymarine chart plotters at each helm. This vessel boasts an unobstructed commanding view from the cockpit. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to an easily accessed and controlled electric winch. The walk-around deck features an open path from the cockpit to the side decks, making it exceptionally safe and easy to move from the cockpit forward. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the windlass and the handheld controller, which is stored safely below a deck hatch. A high-aspect Z-spars mast with its in-mast furling provides a powerful and safe rig that is easy to operate. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with a gentle, three-step companionway to the salon that contributes to the feeling of a unified space between the interior and exterior. Once below deck, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior, while the sizable salon is bathed in a warm light. The large salon is comfortable and accommodating and has been designed to maximize the space with a large folding leaf on the table, excellent storage, and a navigation station. This navigation station has a dedicated seat design and a spacious desk which lifts up to access even more storage. The large galley offers a double basin sink, a 2-burner stove on a gimbal, and a large, easy-to-access refrigerator and freezer that has an opening both on the top and a cabinet-style door on the front, giving access to items at the bottom of the refrigerator. There's ample counter space, and a fiddle is fitted to the counter edge for security in a seaway. This vessel boasts a large and very functional head that is right off the salon, a beautiful sink, and electric toilet. The large walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful fixtures and a folding shower door. The large, comfortable V-berth has easy access to the bed and has multiple hatches and ports, allowing copious amounts of light to enter and provide an amazing view from the cabin. The side ports are equipped with sliding shades that can block out all the light. There is a significant amount of storage space and stand-up closets, both on the port side and the starboard sides of the cabin, and features a cleverly designed sink. The Sun Odyssey 410 has 2 large aft cabins that are bright and comfortable spaces that have excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. Bright and spacious cabins enable you to savor the moments of privacy and rest. For owners and guests, these cabins are the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Sun Odyssey 410 strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view the Sun Odyssey 410, contact Little Yacht Sales.